How to delete account in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete or remove your account. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now, here on the right top, tap on settings. Now, we are in this settings interface. Here, you can customize and have different options. Now, slowly scroll down to the bottom part. Here on the last option, there is delete account. Simply tap on delete account. So make sure that you want to delete your account and everything that you have given. So here you can give the reason that you want to delete the account, and later it will be completely removed from Bumble. So all the personal information will be gone too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.